Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's class. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks. Today we will just solve fill in the blanks of multiplication and division related. First of all, you can see that there are some maths are given, some fill in the blanks are given which are related to multiplications, and there are fill in the blanks you have to solve and find out which number will be in the blank space. At first, question number 1, you can see in question number 1, 5 times blank is equal to 25. So 5 times what will be 25? So if we read the multiplication table of 5, we can find out easily for which table it will be 25. For example, 5 ones are 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So if you have to find 25, right, by doing multiplication table of 5. So when we multiply 5 by 5, we get 25. So the answer will be 5 here. The answer will be 5. So you just only read the multiplication table and then you can solve the blank for multiplications. All right. Now move on to next question. Question number 2. Here you can see blank multiply 4 and then 16. So we need to recite the multiplication table of 4 now. Now 4 zeros are 0. You can do rough here, no need to write this, but only do rough. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, all right, and 4 fours are 16. So we find 16. We find already 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. So in the blank, the answer will be 4. Like this, you can solve the others problem also. Here, 3 and 9. So we recite the multiplication of 3. Now we find 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. All right, so we find 9 here. So 3 times 3 will be 9. So our answer will be 3 here. All right, now move on to our next question. Here you can see first blank and then times and then 6. So blank times 6 equal to 12. So we need to recite the multiplication table of 6. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So we got our answer 6 and 12. 6 twos are 12. So our answer will be 2 here. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. All you have to do multiplication in multiplication table to find out the blank of multiplications. Now next one, question number 5. 3 and 21. 3 and 21. So we have to recite multiplication table of 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18. You don't have to write this in the exam, you just do rough, or you can say it orally and then find the answer. 3 sevens are 21. So we already got 21. So while we got 21, 3 times 7, that means 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So answer will be 3 times 7. Now we move on to our next question, question number 6. This is very easy. You can decide the multiplication table of 7 because 7 times 4, or you can decide the multiplication table of 4. We know 4 times 7 will be 28. So the answer will be 28. So now we have already finished these questions, these fill in the blanks. And like this, if any maths, any fill in the blanks come from the fill in the blanks for, so you just recite multiplication table and then you can find out the fill in the blanks. Another technique is, if you divide the bigger one by the smaller one, you can also find the answer easily. Like for number 1, if you divide, for multiplication fill in the blanks, you can divide also. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. So our blank will be 5, answer. Here 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So our answer is 4. Here 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Our answer is 3. Here 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. Our answer is 2. Here 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Our answer is 7. And here no need to do division. You can do multiplication. Like this, you can also find your answer. Divide the bigger number by the smaller number, you can find your answer. But remember, if blank is after equal symbol, then you just have to multiply. Don't divide. Alright, now we move on to some more examples of division. Alright, you practice this multiplication at home more and more for your exam. Now we do some division problem. Question number 7, like 16 divided by blank is equal to 8. So how can we find this number? 20 divided by 4 divided by blank is equal to 4. Next, you can write 18 divided by blank is equal to 2. Question number 10. 32 divided by blank equal to 4. Alright, now we will see some fill in the blanks from division. But first, question number 7. You can see 16 divided by blank equal to 8. So how you can solve this? If you just say the multiplication table of 8, you can find this answer. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So answer will be 2. Alright, you can also do rough if you need. Now here 20 divided by blank is equal to 4. So if you divide 20 by 4, you can get your answer, or you just recite the multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer will be 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now again 2 and 80. So just recite multiplication table of a smaller one, that is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Like this way, 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. The answer will be 9. Our next question, 32 divided by blank is equal to 4. So 32 divided by blank is equal to 4. So we just recite the multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, like this. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. So the answer is 8. All you need to find the multiplication table of the smaller number. the multiplication table of the smaller number. Now, if the blank is in the first position, how can we do these problems? If blank is in the first position, then you just multiply the smaller two number. These two number. If you multiply just two number, you can find the bigger number, because bigger number divided by smaller number is equal to smaller number. So if you multiply these two smaller number, you can find the first number, because this first number will be the largest number of this question. So blank divided by 3 is equal to 4. So if you multiply these two, 3 times 4, 3 times 4 is 12. Now you write 12 here. Now you can see 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. The answer is okay. Because if we divide 12 by 3, we will get 4. Okay, like this way, if you see the last question, question number 12. Here, blank divided by 7 equal to 7. So blank divided by 7 equal to 7 is equal to what? So I said just now that if blank is in the first position in division problem, then you can multiply these two numbers. So 7 times 7. 7 times 7. You just multiply 7 by 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. You can write, you can say the multiplication table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 28, 7 fours are 20, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. Like this way, 7 sevens are 49. So our answer will be 49. Again, you see 49 divided by 7, 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. So this is our answer. So in the exam, if any kind of this question appear in the exam, you can solve easily. Alright, which completes our today's topic and lesson, multiplication and division from fill in the blanks. I hope you understand very well. You will practice this at home. This will be your homework. HW, CW is HW, your homework. CW is HW. So practice these questions at home, and more questions like this from anywhere you can practice. Alright, see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.